Hello, this is Mimi from MimiMomAndMeBlogspot.com. Today I'm going to show people who sell on Zazzle how to make photo Christmas ornaments. So go to Zazzle.com and then click on Create Your Own. Then click on Ornaments. And then a page of different ornaments will come up. And then you get to pick out which one you want to make. I'll just go with the first one. So click on Add Image. And here you can either upload a picture from your computer or I'm just going to go with one I already have in my files. So this is my granddaughter holding her chicken Harriet when it was a baby. I'm going to enlarge the picture a little bit so I can get it centered properly. Okay, now I'm going to make it a template so that customers can click on it and add their own images. So under product page label, I'll put change image 1, and then I'll go down here and click fill. The reason I'm going to click fill is because then when a customer uploads their picture, it automatically sizes it to the ornament. It just makes it a little bit easier for them. So this is a double-sided ornament. So now I'm going to go down to layers. Click on layers and click on back. Now I'm going to design the back. You can't just go to background and pick any color you want. Oh wait, first I'm going to put some text on there. So I'm going to write just some random text. And add that on there. And then you can scroll, through all the fonts and pick which font you like. I like to go with Hank a lot. I think it's just really cute. Okay, so make sure that's centered on the back. And again, go to the template, click on that, and then put edit text so the customer knows that they can write in whatever message they want, whatever name or year, or change the whole message if they want. Okay, now I'll go to the background. And this is where you can just click on background and pick any color you want, or you can upload any of the files you want. I'm going to choose a gradient background on this one. And I think I'll add some snowflakes. Move that to the back. Ignore my Facebook notifications, please. Okay, and this is what the ornament looks like. So the customer can now click on Personalize this template, see that on the right side, and they can change the picture and the text. Now click on Sell It. Add your title. Zazzle automatically will add ornament to it, so you just have to add the first part of it. Now put in a description and be as descriptive as you can. The more keywords you use, the easier customers will find your item. It will show up better in Zazzle searches and Google searches. I always do this part quickly when I'm on tape. Okay, now go to holidays and Christmas and done. Now pick your store category. I'll go to Christmas ornaments. And done. And then add tags. Think of what people would search for if they're looking for an item like yours. And you can add up to 10 tags on Zazzle. It's rated G. My royalties are already set. And yes, I have the right to publish this. Okay, now click on Go There Now. And that's what your item looks like. And there's the different views. That's what it would look like on a tree. Pretty cute. Okay, and then don't forget to share it on Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, wherever you can to get it out there. So that's it. There's your Christmas ornament. If you want to see more tutorials or craft ideas, go to mimimomandme blogspot.com or Time for the Holidays for more holiday fun. Thanks, guys.